Okay, so for this next activity, it's called My IEP Translation. An IEP document was emailed to you from me, and it is a copy of your IEP that includes your academic goals and what your disability is and everything. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to open that copy of the IEP that I sent to you, and I'd like you to answer these questions. So the first one is, what's your primary disability? This is going to say something like specific learning disability or other health disorders, and that's what you'll put right here for this first one. And then you're going to tell me how this impacts your learning. Now, how it impacts your learning, you might have to do some really hard thinking here because the information that's on your IEP is mostly accommodations. So you're gonna have to think about what happens. Does it cause you to process really slow? Does it cause you to get frustrated? Does it cause you to shut down and not want to do your work? Okay, so those are some things you want to think about for these. This one is your accommodations to succeed, and you're going to find your accommodations all right there on that IEP that I sent you, and I'd like you to list 4 of them, okay? And then this question 4 is about after high school. Who are the people that are going to help you? I want to know not necessarily their phone number, but an email address for them. I'm not going to call them personally, but I want you to have this as an idea of people who can help you once you are done. This might be your mom or dad. This might be a teacher. This might be Quillen, who is our voc rehab guy. This might be a school counselor or a professor. But I want you to put down 3 people who are going to be helping you and supporting you meet your needs once you are finished with high school, okay? And then when you're done, I want you to save your IEP in a Google Drive, okay? It's important to have that because you will need that if you plan to do any post-secondary. Whether that post-secondary happens next year or if it happens in 5 years or 10 years, you will definitely need that documentation. So save it.